Hello guys and welcome back to the Carzi world. Here you can see the Ford Figo BS6 and it gets halogen setup, headlamps, no fog lamps on offer in this particular variant. This is a titanium variant and the grille looks quite premium. It is a Ford signature grille and yeah, big thick Ford logo out here. No automatic headlamps or automatic wipers of that sort. As you can see, this is the side look of the car out here and the wheels are quite okay. 195 55 R 15 inches tires, again a quite big and quite nice. No passive entry on offer. And let's check out the hood of the car. It will open from here. So yeah, opening the hood of the car and this is the engine bay for you. And yeah, in petrol it makes 96 PS of power with 119 Newton meters of torque. In diesel it will make 100 PS of power with 215 Newton meters of torque. So yeah, there has been a good setup out here. No insulation, which you can again expect from this car. Closing the hood of this car. So yeah, let's show you these are the side mirrors, adequate enough to give you a good view of the back. Blackened B pillars and no blackened A pillars, no blackened C pillars. The look is quite okay. New alloy wheels, as you can see, and here we see titanium badging and Ford and all Figo things. And yeah, it is quite a nice car. As you can see the overlook of the car, and no spoiler, nothing, no wiper or defogger in this, no washer in this particular variant. And yeah, and if you want to open the boot, either you can open it from the inside and lock it, or from here just press it twice and it will. So yeah, 257 liters of boot space, a smaller size spare wheel, as you can see. So yeah, no issues with that also. Taking you inside the car, you can see these are the driver side door, and yeah, here you get a cubby hole, bottle holders, and you get some power window controls out here, and lock unlock won't be an issue. It's from here only. The mirrors are adjustable from here but not foldable. And this is the overall cabin. Let's get inside. Push start stop button, yeah. And so touch screen has been removed, and it would to ensure the cost cutting of the car. And this is for the Ford Mic Talk. There is no navigation inbuilt, so you can set up your phone out here along with the media, which you can use for navigation. And the glove box is quite okay, not big. 2 airbags on offer, manual dimming, and here you get mirrors out here with the covering. That's quite good. No mirrors, not an issue. Yeah, so that's the overall cabin for you of the Ford. No leather wrapped steering wheel, no leather wrapped gear knob in this particular. The climate control has been removed. Yeah, 2 cup holes out here, and some cubby holes again here. So overall, this is the cabin out here, and piano black finish. And taking you to the rear, it offers good amount of leg space, as you can see, and no issue with the leg space. So won't be an issue. As you can see, the headroom is quite okay and quite good. So, as you can see, no rear AC vents, but the party trick is it gets all 4 adjustable headrests, which is again a quite nice. Visibility from you won't feel claustrophobic, as the windows are quite big. That's it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon also. Thank you.